formally install Father Albert Anuszewski, OSST, as the second president of DeMatha Catholic High School.
Today is certainly a moment of grace and a moment of gratitude. I pledge to serve you, this community, with faithfulness and dedication, trusting in God's guidance and the support of all of you.
It's my honor to present Father Albert Anuszewski, OSST, to the DeMatha community.
Father Albert, do you pledge to lead with integrity,
Humility, to uphold the values of the gospel, and to inspire all members of this school to grow in faith, in knowledge, and in love?
I do, with the help of God.
Do you pledge to nurture the Catholic identity of DeMatha Catholic High School, fostering a community rooted in prayer, sacramental life, and the teaching of the gospel?
I do, with the help of God.
Do you commit to uphold and advance the tradition of academic excellence at DeMatha, ensuring that all students are prepared to achieve their full potential?
I do, with the help of God.
Do you promise to lead with integrity, humility, and a servant's heart, modeling the values of respect, honesty, and accountability?
I do, with the help of God.
Do you vow to strengthen the bonds of brotherhood among students, faculty, staff, alumni, and families, fostering a spirit of unity and collaboration?
I do, with the help of God.
Do you pledge to inspire a commitment to service and social justice, encouraging all members of the DeMatha community to live out their faith through compassionate action?
I do, with the help of God.
Do you commit to responsibly stewarding resources of DeMatha Catholic High School while envisioning and guiding its growth to meet the challenges and opportunities of the future?
I do, with the help of God.
As a sign of your office, we present you with these symbols of leadership: the school charter, mission statement.
may it guide your decisions and inspire your teaching.
Receive this key, a symbol of your stewardship over the DeMatha community entrusted to your care.
Keys to the kingdom.
Father Albert, receive this medallion as a symbol of your responsibility as president. Strengthen him in wisdom and compassion, and guide him as he leads this school with faith and dedication.